Hi, good morning. I want to follow up on the trade that we looked at yesterday in the NASDAQ. Things turned out all right, but one of the things I didn't do was talk about monitoring the trade. I talked briefly about the target being the daily PL dot. My bad for not going into that in a little bit more detail. So this is where we were yesterday. This was the 5-minute congestion bar that I thought was a trade entry coming off of the quarterly PL dot, and we talked about having to stop up here above the high, or this one up here above the daily 5.9. Now, looking at what happened on the 5-minute chart, and this is how we talk about monitoring a trade. So 5-minute congestion bar over here, getting short in this area. If you were patient, this would have been a great area here. As the market moved inside, that's the 30-minute envelope top right there, that yellow line. This bar breaking down through this PL dot on the 30-minute, testing it, pushing down farther, and then moving sideways inside the 30-minute chart, or I'm sorry, the 30-minute envelope. So this is where I'm out. Looks like this market this move has exhausted itself for the time being, and I was out thinking there might be a chance to short it later in the day. Now here we are this morning. This bar here is 930, 935, and it's moving higher, and anticipating that probably going to see, that's the daily chart, take out that daily high from yesterday. And there's still the daily 5.9 area up here that held on close yesterday, and now we put in a daily 5.1 down. So we're still stacking up areas of resistance up right above where the market is, and it might be another opportunity to short this market. Or to use another Drummond term is to ping, because this market's been moving up for a while, and if this trend is exhausting itself, what we're doing is we're selling resistance and buying, or covering and selling resistance and covering, and we're accumulating some profit. So when we think we want to take a position as in a trend reversal, then we built up some equity, and we have a little bit more wiggle room for stops and risk. So focusing in on the 30-minute chart right now, again, it's moving up here. It's above this yellow line here is the 240-minute envelope top. It's moved up into the outer darkness on the 240-minute. I just have a hard time believing that we won't see it take out this high here. But I also anticipate that this area will be strong, and if we get another setup similar to yesterday on the 5-minute chart, where we get a congestion bar entrance and it's holding, then that's what I'm looking to short, and I'll monitor the trade the same way, and potentially a target way down at the daily PL dot, which would be a really nice way to end the week. So we'll see what happens. If I've confused you, if something's not clear, let me know. I'll post a question in the video comment section, and I'll get to it. Good trading, everyone. Thank you for watching. Have a good weekend, and we'll see you again soon.